Baby, this is it. After 8 years, nandito na tayo. I want you to know that I thank God for having you. Everyone knows kung gaano ka kasungit and thank you for sticking with me.
Open your eyes.
Kidding aside from this moment, tandaan mo, as I promised to you and God, I will love you till do us part.
Baby, I promise you that I will change my attitude na mga masasama sa'yo. Then, babaguhin ko lahat ng mga di natin napagkakasunduan.
It's all waiting for you. It's all waiting for you. It's just the beginning.
Thank you, Ma. Thank you sa alaga.
At pasensya.
As a parent, kasama niya kaming mommy at daddy niya. Gusto namin talaga happy siya this day. Yung araw na ito, we will do everything, kaming mag-asawa, para sa anak namin.
It's just the beginning. It's just the beginning.
Kahit nung nawala siya, hindi ko ma-elaborate lahat. Kasi nga, lahat is precious. Yan. Gusto ko siya nandito. Kaso late kasi akong nagpakasal so hindi umaakot. Uy, naiyak mo ako. I love you and I miss you. Woohoo!
It's just the beginning.
Faith, hope, and love. Lagi niyong ipagdasal ang inyong pagsasama. Importante po na ang namamagitan sa inyong dalawa ay ang Diyos. Is to always have hope. Manatili kayo na may pag-asa. Lahat po ng pagsubok may solusyon. Lahat ng problema o challenges ay laging merong paraan. Kaya hanapin niyo lang yung solusyon at paraan. Ano man ang inyong harapin, haharapin ninyong dalawa yan na mayroong pag-asa.
Hi baby, thank you so much sa pagtitiis sa akin sa 8 years na pagsasama natin. Sana ganyan ka pa rin every day. Kaya mo pa rin akong pakisamahan kahit makulit ako, pasaway, ganun. I love you so much. Hi baby, I can promise to be perfect, but we'll always strive to be the perfect husband. We'll always remember our 3 important words in a family: the roof, bed, and table. You are my greatest reward and blessings from God above. I love you always.
Baby, I will be here. I will be here no matter what challenges we face. Walang susuko, hindi ako susuko. Duman man tayo sa darkest stage ng buhay, hindi ako magsasawang magpasalamat sa'yo at mahalin ka. I love you, mahal kita.
I will always love you. and sa family na magiging family natin. Thank you, I love you so much.